everyone, welcome back to Time to Cook. I am Chef Christy, and oh my goodness, I'm making something wonderful for you today. I think it's kind of like a double whammy because I am using my slow cooker to make a 3-ingredient Velveeta Cheese Dip. I know I have a lot of cheese dip lovers out there because my queso blanco has been a huge success. I believe I have around 157,000 views on that video. But this recipe actually, I made a long time before I ever made the queso blanco. It's been a while since I have made this. I'm kind of pulling it back out. I'm going to make it for you and show you how to do it. It was always a huge hit when I made it. I used to get a lot of requests for this dip, and it's super easy. 3 ingredients, and you can make it in your crock pot, and it's great for crowds. So let me show you the ingredients that you will need. But before I do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and if you would like to be notified as soon as I upload a new delicious recipe, you can hit that little notification bell icon that you see just below this video, and also give me a thumbs up and let me know that you like this video and my channel. So you will need 2 pounds of Velveeta cheese, 1 pound of a chorizo sausage, and then 2 10-ounce cans of the Rotel tomatoes and green chilies. So I also want to mention that in the past I have used 1 pound of ground beef, and I have also used 1 pound of a breakfast sausage, and both of those are delicious in this dip. I'm just using a chorizo today because I love chorizo and I love the flavor that it adds to this dip. And I'm just using a paper towel to kind of soak up the extra grease. I have placed my Velveeta in my crock pot and I have sliced it up, and now I'm going to just pour this chorizo over the cheese. And I got out a lot of that grease with the paper towel. And then I am going to add my tomatoes and green chilies. Okay, then all I'm going to do is cover my slow cooker and turn it on high and let it cook for about 2 hours until the cheese is melted, and you can just mix it all together. It's going to be delicious. I think this dip is done. Let's take a look at it. And I've got to stir it. Ooh. Look at that. This dip is so delicious. I forgot just how good it is. And that chorizo is amazing in this dip. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed seeing how to make this 3-ingredient Velveeta cheese dip, and I will see you soon with more recipes. I cannot get enough of this dip.